Number 1. Anatomy. Dogs have a shorter and narrower airway compared to humans, which can cause snoring. Number 2. Breed factors. Brachycephalic breeds, such as bulldogs or pugs, are more prone to snoring due to their compressed airways. Number 3. Nasal congestion. Allergies, sinus issues, or infections can lead to nasal congestion in dogs, resulting in snoring. Number 4. Overweight. Excess weight can put pressure on a dog's airway, leading to snoring. Number 5. Sleeping position. Dogs that sleep on their backs may experience relaxation of the throat muscles, causing snoring. Number 6. Age. Older dogs may have weaker muscles in their throat, leading to snoring. Number 7. Dental issues. Dental problems, such as misaligned or overcrowded teeth, can obstruct the airway and cause snoring. Number 8. Tongue position. Dogs with longer tongues or a tendency to stick their tongue out while sleeping can experience snoring. Number 9. Sleep apnea. Similar to humans, dogs can also experience sleep apnea, which results in snoring caused by pauses in breathing during sleep. Number 10. Sedatives or medications. Certain medications or sedatives can relax the muscles in a dog's airway, leading to snoring. Number 11. Sleep position. Dogs that curl up tightly during sleep may restrict their breathing, causing snoring. Number 12. Environmental factors. Dust, smoke, or other airborne irritants may cause nasal inflammation, resulting in snoring. Number 13. Allergies. Dogs can develop allergies to substances like pollen, dust mites, or certain foods, leading to snoring. Number 14. Obstructions. Objects lodged in the nasal passages or throat, such as grass, can cause snoring. Number 15. Sore throat. An inflamed or irritated throat can lead to snoring in dogs. Number 16. Genetic predisposition. Certain dog breeds may have a genetic predisposition to snoring due to their anatomy. Number 17. Overexcitement or exhaustion. Dogs that are overly excited or exhausted may snore due to increased relaxation of throat muscles. Number 18. Bruxism. Dogs that grind their teeth during sleep may also snore. Number 19. Sleep position changes. Dogs that frequently change positions during sleep might experience temporary snoring due to shifted airway. Number 20. Obesity. Obesity can lead to excess fat around the throat area, narrowing the airway and causing snoring. Number 21. Alcohol or sedative consumption. Dogs that accidentally consume alcohol or sedatives may experience snoring as a temporary effect. Number 22. Enlarged tonsils or adenoids. Dogs with enlarged tonsils or adenoids may have a restricted airway, causing snoring. Number 23. Respiratory infections. Infections in the respiratory tract, such as bronchitis or pneumonia, can lead to snoring. Number 24. Sleep deprivation. Lack of quality sleep can result in relaxation and narrowing of the airway, leading to snoring. Number 25. Heat and humidity. Dogs may snore more in hot and humid environments due to increased nasal congestion. Number 26. Sleeping surface. Certain bedding materials or pillows that do not provide proper support may contribute to snoring. Number 27. Stressed or anxious state. Dogs experiencing stress or anxiety may exhibit shallow breathing during sleep, resulting in snoring. Number 28. Limited physical activity. Dogs that don't get enough exercise may have weaker throat muscles, leading to snoring. Number 29. Abnormal nasal structures. Dogs with deviated septums or nasal polyps may experience snoring. Number 30. Secondhand smoke. Exposure to secondhand smoke can cause inflammation in a dog's airways, contributing to snoring. Please note that if your dog's snoring is accompanied by additional symptoms like difficulty breathing, coughing, or excessive fatigue, it's recommended to consult a veterinarian to evaluate potential underlying health issues.